A latching button switch, also known as a toggle switch, is a type of electrical switch that maintains its position either on or off once it has been toggled or pressed. When you lightly press the 12-volt latching push-button switch with your finger, the switch contacts close, thereby electrifying and activating the corresponding machine or device. Pressing it again breaks the contact, stopping the machine or device. In either application environment, the 19mm lock button switch is a key control component for many devices and systems for its reliable performance, compact design, and easy-to-use features. A notable feature of this switch is its exceptional dust and water resistance. This ingress protection 68 waterproof button switch is designed with a dedicated dust cover, ensuring that dust cannot enter, while also guaranteeing the button's waterproof effect. The positive pole of the power supply is connected to the switch C pin red wire and the LED lamp pin red wire, and the other no pin black wire is connected to the positive pole of the bulb device. Connect the negative pole of the power supply to the negative pole of the bulb device and the LED lamp pin black wire. The latching push-button switch is locked and the bulb device starts. The latching push-button switch is reset. The bulb device is turned off and the light is always on.